Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sky and I make minimalist style, beauty and lifestyle content from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this quick, simple two-braid protective style. It's one of my favorite go-to style. I've in fact done one simpler version here on the channel. I'm going to link the video up here just so you can go see it. In this version, I added some hair extensions to add more volume and stronger grip, but you can do it with or without extensions depending on what you prefer. My hair is relaxed, in case you didn't know, and this is a very simple way that I use to keep my hair tucked in and protected. This hairstyle usually carried me for like a week or so it's perfect for when you don't want to do anything too serious. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how I achieved the look. That's what this video is about. This style doesn't require lots of hair extensions, so I'm just taking these pieces that I have from last time I had my hair braided, and I'll also be needing some moisturizer for my hair, as well as hair wax, some styler gel, hair mousse, and a few combs. I start by parting my hair down the middle. The parts are not clean in this video. I can do better usually, but this is what I normally do. I part the hair into two, make sure that each part is fully combed and they're also equal so that the braid has some balance. I then go ahead to first of all apply some wax to the front and the along the pattern so that it's neat and properly arranged, and it's also easier for me to braid if I do this beforehand. After applying the wax, I'm going with a tail comb to smoothen out the wax and also the parts, making sure that I'm able to grip as much of the hair as I should when I'm braiding. And of course, I want to do like a feeding style, which is why I'm separating my hair extensions into little pieces so that it's easy for me to feed in as I go. I start the braid with just my hair, and after I've done like 2 crossings, I then begin to feed in the extensions little by little. Again, this extension is not supposed to cover the entire hair. If you want it bigger and bolder, you might need to use more extensions, but for me this is okay. So I just feed in the little bits of extension as I go down. I take my time, make sure that the braid is not too tight but is firm, since I want the hair to last for a few days. Once I get to the end of the braid, I don't go all the way down. I kind of leave it and then do the other side of the hair. I basically repeat the entire process that I did on the first part. And once I get to the end of the second braid, I then join the 2 braids into one long single piece. I might have to comb the extensions as I go, because as you can see, it gets a little tangled and rough. So I kind of use my hand and later I comb to make sure that it's smooth and as even as possible as I'm braiding. After I'm done braiding, I just go over my hair again with some of that gel, making sure to smoothen the edges and, you know, just the entire hair basically. I do this with my hand and then go over it with a tail comb just to make sure that everything is smooth. Next, I'll be applying some of that hair mousse all over my hair. I am very generous with the mousse here, so I just apply it along my edges and on top the braid itself, just to, you know, help it stay even more smoother. Once I'm done, I then tie up the hair with a scarf and leave it for about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how much time I have. And then I take off the scarf and wrap the tail of the braid round around until, you know, the entire braid is tucked in. This kind of keeps it a little bit smoother, and, you know, it makes sense now that I didn't use a lot of extension, so that this part of the hair is not too big or bulky. I then go over my edges and my nape with the tail comb, and that's the hair basically, nothing too crazy. But this hairstyle lasts me for a week and my hair is protected and very simple to do. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe in case you haven't. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.